Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Power BI. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to visualize and analyze your Google Sheets data directly in Power BI, creating powerful dashboards and reports without constantly switching between platforms. First, open your Power BI desktop application on your computer. Once you've got it open, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options for working with data. Click on Get Data, and from the drop-down that appears, select More. This will open up a comprehensive list of all the data sources that Power BI can connect to, giving you access to hundreds of integration options. In the search bar at the top of this window, type Google Sheets. You'll see it appear in the results below. Click on Google Sheets to select it, and then click the Connect button. This initiates the connection process between Power BI and your Google account. At this point, a message will appear informing you about using a third-party service. This is just Power BI letting you know that you're connecting to an external platform outside of Microsoft's ecosystem. It's a standard security notification, so go ahead and click Continue to proceed with the connection. Now you'll need to paste your Google Sheet URL into the field provided. Make sure you copy the complete URL from your Google Sheets browser tab, including the https:// portion at the beginning. Paste it carefully into the designated field. This URL tells Power BI exactly which spreadsheet you want to work with. If you haven't logged into your Google account yet, Power BI will prompt you to do so at this stage. You'll need to authenticate your Google account to grant Power BI permission to access your sheets. However, for this example, the account is already logged in, so we can move forward without that step. If you do need to log in, simply follow the prompts, enter your credentials, and authorize the connection. Once you're logged in and the URL is entered, Power BI will display all the available sheets within your Google Sheets file. Take a moment to review the list and select the specific sheet you want to import. After selecting it, click Load. This tells Power BI to begin importing the data from your chosen sheet into the application. Now you'll need to wait for Power BI to process and load the data. Depending on the size of your sheet and your internet connection, this might take a few moments. You'll see a progress indicator showing that the data is being retrieved and formatted for use in Power BI. And that's it. Your Google Sheets data is now connected to Power BI and ready to be transformed into insightful visualizations and reports. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.